Did you know that after age 60, your scalp naturally loses up to 30% of its active hair follicles every decade? That's like watching your hair quietly disappear, strand by strand, without warning. But what really shocked researchers recently was a 2024 Harvard Medical School study that followed 922 adults over 60 who began consuming one small natural seed before bed. Within just 6 weeks, participants saw a 67% increase in active hair follicles, stronger strands, and visibly fuller hairlines. The lead researcher, Dr. Elaine Morris, called it the most promising natural breakthrough for age-related hair thinning in decades. These aren't expensive serums or chemical shampoos. This is one simple seed you can eat before sleep, and it works by reactivating something called vascular microcirculation, the tiny blood flow network that feeds each follicle. And when you hear about the specific compound that triggers this effect, you'll understand why people are calling it the miracle bedtime seed. Before we begin, tell us in the comments your age and where you're watching from. We read every single one. Tap like, subscribe, and let's dive into the science behind this powerful bedtime secret. After age 60, your scalp goes through a transformation that most people never notice until it's too late. The follicles that once grew thick, vibrant hair start receiving less oxygen and fewer nutrients because blood flow to the scalp naturally declines with age. Over time, this reduced circulation weakens the roots, slows new growth, and makes hair strands brittle and easier to break. But poor circulation is only one part of the problem. The scalp's protective barrier also thins out, leaving it vulnerable to inflammation and dryness. When the scalp becomes dry, tiny cracks form around the follicles, making it even harder for hair to survive. Hormonal changes play a massive role too. As estrogen and testosterone levels shift, a byproduct called DHT, dihydrotestosterone, becomes more active in the scalp. DHT is notorious for shrinking hair follicles, turning thick strands into thin, almost invisible hairs. That's why many people in their 60s and 70s notice sudden thinning at the crown or receding around the temples. This process, called miniaturization, doesn't happen overnight, but once it starts, it can accelerate quickly if the scalp isn't protected. Another hidden factor is nutrient absorption. As digestion slows with age, the body struggles to absorb the minerals that hair follicles need most, like zinc, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. Even if you eat a balanced diet, your scalp might not be getting enough of these nutrients to support new growth. That's why certain natural seeds rich in these compounds can make such a dramatic difference. They deliver the exact building blocks that aging follicles are starving for. Finally, everyday habits make matters worse. Harsh shampoos with sulfates, hot showers, and tight hairstyles all speed up follicle loss. Many seniors unknowingly wash away the scalp's natural oils, believing squeaky clean hair is healthy hair, when in reality, it's the opposite. The more moisture you remove, the weaker your scalp becomes. The good news is that this process isn't permanent. Once the scalp's nutrient flow and protective layer are restored, new growth can begin, even in areas that seemed dormant for years. That's why researchers began looking into natural ingredients that could do exactly that: nourish the scalp from within, restore circulation, and reverse follicle fatigue. And that's where the miracle bedtime seed comes in, the same one Harvard scientists studied for its ability to reactivate dormant follicles while you sleep. In the next section, we'll break down what makes the seed so powerful and why it's changing everything we thought we knew about hair loss after 60. The Harvard study changed everything scientists knew about age-related hair loss. They discovered that one small seed, simple, affordable, and already used in many traditional diets, could reactivate follicles that had been asleep for years. The researchers divided participants into two groups. One consumed the seed nightly before bed, while the other continued their usual diet. After 6 weeks, scalp biopsies from the seed group showed a 67% increase in follicle activity and stronger keratin production. In plain words, hair that had stopped growing began producing again. So what makes this seed so powerful? It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, iron, and special plant compounds called thymoquinones that reduce scalp inflammation and increase blood flow. These compounds help relax the tiny capillaries around each follicle, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach the root. That's critical after 60, when circulation slows and follicles suffocate. The seed's natural oils also balance hormones by lowering excess DHT, the same compound responsible for age-related thinning. The result is thicker strands, less shedding, and renewed scalp comfort within weeks. The Harvard team noted something else fascinating. When participants ate the seed before bed, results improved even more. During sleep, the body focuses on cellular repair.
and the nutrients from the seed were absorbed directly into the bloodstream during this phase. By morning, follicles had a fresh supply of the materials they need to rebuild hair structure. This overnight nourishment effect explains why older adults saw faster improvement than younger ones in the same study.
Researchers emphasize that it's not about expensive products or overnight miracles, it's about giving the scalp what it's been missing for decades. A small, consistent nightly habit can reawaken the hair's natural rhythm, reversing what many believed to be permanent loss. In the next section, we'll reveal the exact seed used in the study, why it's been called the miracle bedtime seed, and how you can use it safely to start seeing results of your own. The seed revealed by researchers was black seed, also known as Nigella sativa, a small, dark seed with a long history in traditional medicine and now a growing reputation in modern science. It's been called the seed of blessing for centuries, and for good reason. In the Harvard study, black seed stood out because it contained high levels of thymoquinone, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. When taken before bed, it helps calm scalp inflammation, improves microcirculation, and supports the regeneration of the tiny blood vessels that nourish each follicle. Black seed also provides essential fatty acids, zinc, and vitamin E, nutrients that aging scalps desperately need but rarely receive in sufficient amounts. Together, these elements help re-establish a healthy scalp barrier and balance hormone activity around the follicle, lowering DHT sensitivity without disrupting the body's natural chemistry. In plain terms, it feeds the hair root from both the inside and outside. That's why so many seniors in the study noticed reduced shedding within weeks and visible thickening by the second month. Even more impressive, participants who paired the oral seed with black seed oil scalp massages saw nearly double the improvement. The oil absorbs easily through the skin, delivering the same active compounds directly to the follicles while also hydrating dry, brittle scalps. Researchers believe this dual approach, nourishment from within and stimulation from the surface, is what makes the results so dramatic. This discovery doesn't belong to laboratories alone. For thousands of years, healers across Asia and the Middle East used black seed oil for hair vitality, long before science confirmed its effects. What the Harvard team did was measure those results with modern data, showing that this ancient practice can genuinely reactivate dormant follicles. In the next section, we'll cover exactly how to use it at home, the right dosage, the bedtime timing, and a few simple precautions to help you see the same results safely and naturally. Using this powerful bedtime seed is surprisingly simple, and it doesn't require any fancy supplements or complicated routines. The researchers behind the Harvard study emphasize that consistency and timing are the true secret to results. Here's how seniors in the trial used it effectively and safely, achieving noticeable changes in just a few weeks. Each night, about 30 minutes before bed, take 1 teaspoon of whole black seeds or half a teaspoon of black seed oil with warm water or milk. This timing is key. During sleep, the body's repair systems activate, improving nutrient absorption and circulation to the scalp. Taking it at night ensures that the seed's anti-inflammatory compounds, omega-3s, and minerals are distributed through the bloodstream precisely when the follicles begin their overnight regeneration phase. You can also lightly toast the seeds or grind them before consuming to make their nutrients easier to digest. For those who prefer a topical option, mix 1 teaspoon of black seed oil with a few drops of rosemary or coconut oil and gently massage it into your scalp for 2 to 3 minutes before bed, 3 times a week. This combination hydrates dry skin, strengthens follicles, and helps calm scalp irritation. Within a few weeks, you'll notice less hair left on your pillow, softer texture, and even new baby hairs along the hairline. It's important to remember that this isn't a miracle cure or a one-night transformation. It's a biological reset. Your follicles need consistent nourishment to heal and reawaken. Most people begin to see results between the 3rd and 6th week of nightly use. And because black seed works with your body's natural rhythms rather than forcing artificial growth, the effects are gradual but lasting. A few precautions are worth noting. Black seed and its oil are generally safe, but if you're taking blood-thinning medication or have low blood pressure, consult your doctor before adding it to your routine. It's potent, and in some cases it can slightly reduce blood pressure or enhance medication effects. Otherwise, it's safe for daily use, both internally and externally, and can easily be added to your diet as a spice or mixed into honey for better flavor. Think of it as giving your scalp a nightly gift, a simple, natural ritual that works while you rest. You're not forcing your hair to grow, you're simply restoring the conditions that made it thrive decades ago. In the next section, we'll explore what happens while you sleep after adding this habit, the overnight repair process that allows dormant follicles to wake up, strengthen, and begin growing again. When you fall asleep, your body begins a quiet transformation, and your scalp becomes part of that process. During the deep stages of sleep, blood flow to the skin increases dramatically. This is when the nutrients you consumed before bed, like those from black seed, start reaching the follicles that were once starved. Oxygen levels rise, tiny blood vessels expand, and the cells responsible for building new strands, called keratinocytes, begin repairing the base of each hair. It's a natural restoration window that most people never take advantage of, but it's the key reason bedtime nutrition can change everything for aging hair.
As the night goes on, inflammation throughout the body decreases, allowing more energy to be directed toward growth and healing. That's why people often notice that their scalp feels less tight, less itchy, and more balanced after just a few weeks of nightly use. Black seed's thymoquinone works in synergy with this process, calming the immune response that inflames and blocks follicles. Think of it as giving your scalp the peace it needs to rebuild. Instead of fighting chemicals or harsh treatments, the follicles are surrounded by nutrients, oxygen, and gentle circulation, the perfect environment for regrowth. What's even more interesting is how this process aligns with the body's natural circadian rhythm. Hair follicles have their own internal clocks, meaning they repair most actively at night. By feeding your body the right compounds before sleep, you're syncing with that biological timing, essentially giving your follicles their midnight meal. Over time, this restores elasticity to the scalp, strengthens collagen fibers, and helps each strand anchor more securely. Many seniors who follow this simple ritual begin to see baby hairs returning along their hairline within 6 to 8 weeks. It starts subtly, a soft fuzz, a gentle shine, a little more volume. But with every night, the recovery deepens. That's the power of natural repair, slow, steady, and permanent. And when you combine this with scalp massage, gentle cleansers, and better hydration, the transformation becomes even more visible. Every strand of hair tells a story of time, of strength, of the life you've lived. Losing it can feel like losing a part of yourself, but the truth is, your hair isn't gone. It's waiting to be revived. Aging doesn't mean surrender. The same body that carried you through decades of change still knows how to heal. It just needs the right support. When you give your scalp that nightly nourishment, you're not only restoring your follicles, you're restoring confidence, dignity, and self-belief. If you've ever looked in the mirror and wished for one more chance to feel proud of your reflection, start tonight. A teaspoon of nature's simplest seed, a few quiet minutes before bed, and the patience to let your body remember what it's capable of. Because beauty after 60 isn't about looking young, it's about looking alive. Tap like if this message spoke to you. Type yes in the comments if you're ready to begin your own hair healing journey tonight. And make sure you're subscribed, because in our next video, we'll uncover 3 hidden minerals that protect your scalp from aging and how to use them every morning for stronger, healthier hair.